Ever thought about how silence can mess with women's heads? When used with finesse and intelligence, silence becomes a powerful weapon to stir up their emotional world, leaving a mystery lingering in the air. Today, let's unravel together the secrets behind this strategy. Stay tuned to discover how to use silence cleverly and leave a woman completely intrigued. If you're ready to learn, stick with me till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Prove it to yourself, not to her. Many guys, when they go silent with a woman, go a little crazy trying to prove that they've moved on. The problem is that only shows her that he's still stuck and not okay. So focus on proving to yourself that you can move on by getting on with your life without being glued to her. By doing so, you avoid exaggerated actions that only show how messed up you are. If you look more inward, recognizing your values, silence becomes easier, more natural without forcing it. A smart guy doesn't need to prove anything to anyone, just to himself. Understand that, and silence becomes something natural, without strain and without complications. Don't waste time trying to prove something to her, because it just tires you out and doesn't get you anywhere. When a man understands that the true challenge is in proving himself and not to others, he frees himself from the shackles of the past and embraces the journey towards self-discovery. By focusing on recognizing his own values and strengthening his essence, he turns silence into a powerful and natural tool. He doesn't get carried away by the urge to prove to others that he's making progress because he understands that real change happens internally. Number 2. The power of silence. Imagine, my friend, embarking on a journey where you decide to put an end to the disrespect that has affected your life. You want to save time, and above all, you desire to elevate your worth to levels you never imagined reaching. The key to this change lies in the power of silence, a mysterious force that you can start using right now. By adopting silence as your secret strategy, you are sending a powerful message to the world. You're making it clear that you no longer accept crumbs, that you're not content being someone who always chases after others. It's the moment you stand out as the protagonist of your own story. Often, men enter relationships feeling undervalued from the start. Unfortunately, the way women treat them only intensifies this painful sensation with gestures of disrespect that seem like a condemnation. A spiral of despair takes hold in their lives, making them believe they don't deserve the best. However, when silence takes center stage, a true miracle occurs. Finally, you realize that you deserve the best, that you deserve respect. Using silence is not just a defense, but also an internal awakening. You begin to question whether the relationship you're in is healthy and beneficial for both parties. This is a period of deep reflection that will eventually lead to a meaningful conversation with the woman in question. In this conversation, both of you will share your thoughts and feelings, building a mutual understanding that strengthens the bonds between you. And there's more. When a man steps back, choosing silence, he gives the woman the opportunity to miss him. That gap, that absence, can awaken a genuine desire for reconnection and reconciliation. Therefore, silence goes beyond a strategy. It's a journey of self-discovery and renewal. Silence is the powerful language that can positively transform the dynamics between men and women. Number 3, make your silence resonate. It's crucial that your silence resonates deeply in this woman's mind, and to achieve that, it's essential to act in the right way. The key to this is to deeply focus on your self-love and independence. This will naturally lead you to move on without clinging to her. And that's where the impact occurs. Your happiness bothers her. The fact that you're not completely devoted to her causes discomfort. Seeing you with other women also generates unease. So, go out with other people, stay active in your life. Don't get stuck, hidden in a corner, thinking that's enough. Your life can't stop. That's the only way to make noise with your silence. When she realizes that you're more committed than ever, that your life keeps moving forward almost as if she simply isn't a part of it, she'll realize she needs to pursue you. In this way, Making your silence noticeable to this woman, always prioritizing yourself and your life, is the most effective way to echo in her mind. Number 4. Have a genuine desire to move forward. A common mistake many men make when using silence with a woman is not truly moving on. The guy often forces himself to act a certain way, but this doesn't last because the truth is, he secretly wishes to run back to the woman. Therefore, it's crucial to have a genuine desire to move forward. You really need to want it. If this woman has feelings for you, she will seek you out. She'll want to be close to you again. Carry on with your life, do your thing, and avoid nurturing hopes regarding this woman. This is the only way to use silence to make her realize that you're moving forward and that, in this process, she may find someone better than her. When you use silence in this manner, you can be confident that you'll impact this woman and she'll start taking you seriously. Additionally, it's crucial to cultivate your own personal growth during this period. Focus on developing your skills, pursuing your interests, and strengthening your family and friendship relationships. By investing in your own well-being and maturity, you not only reinforce the message that you're genuinely moving forward, but you also build a solid foundation for your future. Remember, true transformation occurs when you commit to being the best version of yourself, regardless of the outcome with this woman. This authentic commitment not only commands respect, but also creates a promising path toward new opportunities and meaningful connections on your journey. Upon concluding this video, I hope the strategies shared have been helpful to you. If you found value in this content, don't hesitate to leave your like, and of course, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscription button and activate the bell to receive notifications. We're here to help you strengthen your relationships and promote your personal growth. Thank you very much for your attention, and until the next video.